Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. And today I'm here to share with you how to make authentic Ghana Waakye stew. And Waakye is one of the most popular and demanding street food in Ghana. And it's also one of the food that is mainly eaten as breakfast, lunch and dinner in Ghana. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. So before we start cooking, let's get some fresh herbs from my small garden. So I have here sage, and I also have here some thyme, and also I have here rosemary. And I like adding some fresh herbs to my food whenever I'm cooking. It have that nice flavor and aroma. Yeah, so I've decided to grow my own herbs. Now let's get cooking. So for the ingredients, I have beef cooking pieces, wele, some fish, cowhide, and also I have tomatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, and red fish. I also have here sweet pepper, some eggs, thyme, rosemary, and sage. I also have here tomato paste, my homemade seasoning powder, Sankofa powder, shrimp powder, oil, and salt. So I'll start by washing all my meats with some salt very well. Next, I'm going to wash my fish with some lemons and I'll cut them into halves. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you enjoyed this recipe. So I'll now go ahead and wash the herbs, the sage, thyme, and rosemary. Now I'm going to blend the ginger, garlic, onion, and the herbs, and I'll set them aside. So now I'm going to wash and blend the tomatoes, the sweet pepper together and set it aside. So I'll now go ahead and season my meats with the blended mixture. So I'm going to stir it very well, and then I'll add some salt and the other spices. So I've added my seasoning cube, some salt, and I'm going to add the Sankofa seasoning powder. I'll also add my homemade seasoning powder. I'll write the ingredients in the description box below. So I'll now stir it very well and cover and cook on a medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll also add in the thyme and a little bit of water. Next, I'm going to season the fish with some plain flour and my homemade seasoning powder, and to it I'll add some salt and mix together. And at this moment, the meat is done cooking. So I'm going to remove the beef and I'm going to fry it together with the fish. And I'll set the remaining meat aside to be used later. So I'm going to heat some oil and fry the fish and the beef. And at this point, it's done frying. I'm going to set it aside. Next, I'll be frying the meat until it's golden brown. So it's also done frying. And I'm going to fry the eggs. I've already boiled the eggs, so I'm going to fry them. So to prepare the stew, I'll start by heating the oil, and to it I'll add some sliced onions, and to it I'll add the blended mixture. I'll give it a stir and cook for a few minutes on a low heat. Next, I'll add the tomato paste and I'll stir it again. And I'll add the bay leaves. Next, I'll blend the blended fresh tomatoes. And I've also added my seasoning spices. So it has been cooking for some time now. I will now add in the meat and cook on a low heat for about 10 minutes. I'll now add the fried beef and I'll stir very well. Now let it cook on the low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. And at this point, our authentic Ghana Waakye stew is done. And our next recipe, I'm going to prepare the waakye, so please stay tuned for that. And thank you all so much for watching. And also, if you have enjoyed this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.